Step-by-step advice from the animal kingdom.
Yes, nice.
Whoa,
Yeah,
very interesting animal.
correct.
How to defend yourself like an armadillo. 1. Freeze. Many predators don't notice prey unless it's moving. Holding still can be a good tactic. 2. Run. Armadillos can move quickly. So can you. If freezing doesn't work, don't just sit there.
Yeah.
Yep. 3. Dig. Start digging a hole. Use your long claws. Work quickly. You'll soon have a burrow to hide in. Wow. 4. Swim. You're a good swimmer and not every predator likes to get wet. 5. Leap. Try jumping a few feet up into the air. This can startle even the fiercest predator. It can give you time to escape.
Correct, yes.
6. Hunker down. If all else fails, pull in your head and feet and hope your armor persuades the actor to give up.
Yeah.
Amazing. Whoa!
Wow.
How to spin a web like a spider. Cool.
Yeah, that's an art.
1. Cast a line. Cast a single silk thread into the air. If you are lucky, the breeze will catch it. It will
Snag.
snag on a nearby branch or other object.
Yeah.
Cool. 2. Make a loop. Walk across the first thread. Spin another that droops to form a U.
Like that. And then, correct.
Cool. 3. Turn your U into a Y. Drop a line from the bottom of the loose thread. Tighten it to make a Y shape. Now that's looking like a Y.
Correct. Interesting.
4. Frame your web. Spin threads that will form the borders of your web. Wow!
Yeah.
It's almost done. 5. Spin threads from the center to the edges. These lines from the
Form.
form the framework for your web. They give you unsticky threads to walk on.
Yeah.
Cool. 6. Make a spiral. Make a spiral of silk. So far, none of the threads you've spun are sticky.
Great. Look at that.
Wow!
Yeah.
7. Get sticky. Now work your way back to the center. Lay down sticky threads. The original spiral will be your path. You'll recycle it by eating it as you go.
Okay.
Nice. 8. Wait for dinner. Now you can rest. Sit in the center of your new web. Wait for an insect to blunder
Yeah.
into your trap.
Yeah, blunder is make mistake. So that insect makes mistake and then it gets trapped.
Into the web that you made. Cool. Now let's see. Whoa! A whale.
Amazing.
Now to trap.
How?
How to trap fish like a humpback whale. Nice. 1. Find some fish. The first step is locating a school of fish. Some of these schools include millions of fish.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
2. Tell your friends. Call any humpbacks in the area. Let them know you've located dinner.
Mm-hmm.
3. Slap the surface. Whacking the water with your tail frightens the fish. It makes them swim closer together. If you don't have a tail, ask one of the whales for help.
Okay.
Nice. 4. Swim in circles. Join the whales in circling beneath the fish. Blow bubbles. Herd the fish together by swimming in smaller and smaller circles.
Okay, so basically trap them. Mm-hmm. Oh.
5. Gulp. Take turns swimming up. Open your mouth wide. Swallow as many fish as you can in one go.
Look at that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Now that is a very scary humpback whale's mouth.
Yeah, interesting. Nice. Really nice book.
Viewers, you can try these things too by getting some help by the animals.
Yeah. So interesting.